The QMR is really easy to use and it's intuitive. The real benefit for us is being able to discuss live, real results with the customer. The software is laid out in a really straightforward way. It's easy to follow and it's easy to get what you want from the software. The two-page report is really straightforward, simple to understand, but detailed at the same time. It helps customers with their maintenance strategies and identify strengths and weaknesses. Companies are always keen to understand where they are with their peers, in their industries, in their sectors, and having a good understanding of where that particular company is really beneficial. It gives everybody a helping hand as to where to go, what they need to focus on, what the industry demands of them.